Welcome back to our channel. Here in this video, we will tell you about the passive income ideas for 2022. So don't skip the video and stay with us until the end of the video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe to us now and press the bell icon. Let's start our video. Earnings that come in consistently from sources other than an employer or independent contractor are examples of passive income. Passive income can be generated in two different ways. According to the Internal Revenue Service (IRS), through rental property or through a business in which one does not actively engage, such as being paid book royalties or stock dividends. Todd Tressitter, a retired hedge fund manager and financial educator, argues that a common misconception about passive income involves receiving something of value in exchange for doing nothing. It bears the appearance of being a get-rich-quick scheme. However, in the end, there is still effort involved. You hand up the task in advance. You might have to put in part or all of the work up front, and even earning passive income typically requires more effort at certain points along the process. To keep the money coming in from your passive income sources, you might need to regularly update your product or perform routine maintenance on your rental property. But if you are dedicated to the approach, it may be an excellent way to make revenue, and along the road, you will create some more financial stability for yourself. Whether you're operating a side business or just trying to get a little extra dough each month, passive income can be a great way to help you generate additional cash flow. This is especially important to consider because inflation is raging throughout the economy. When circumstances are good, passive income can help you generate more money, and it can also provide a safety net in case you lose your job unexpectedly, if you decide to take time off from work of your own will, or if inflation keeps eating away at the purchasing power you once had. 5. Create a course. Making an audio or video course, selling it, and then sitting back and enjoying the money that comes in from your product sales is one common method for generating passive income. Online education platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera make buying and selling individual classes possible. You might also consider the freemium model, which involves attracting users with free content to create a following, then charging users for further, more thorough information or for those who want to learn more. For instance, those who teach foreign languages or provide stock picking advice might use this model. The free content serves as a display of your skills and has the potential to attract others who are interested in progressing to the next level. Opportunity. A course has the potential to produce a strong revenue stream because it is relatively easy to make money after the initial time investment has been made. Tressitter warns that a risk is involved because it takes a great amount of effort to make the goods. And to make a significant amount of money from it, it needs to be excellent. Out there is no room for garbage. According to Tressitter, you need to have a robust platform, sell your items, and make plans for more product offerings. According to Tressitter, having a single product does not constitute a firm unless you are extremely fortunate. The most effective strategy for increasing current product sales is to develop additional high-quality products. 4. Write an ebook. If you write an ebook, you can take advantage of the low cost of publishing and even leverage Amazon's worldwide distribution to get your book in front of millions of people interested in purchasing it. This can be a good opportunity for you to take advantage of. Ebooks can be relatively brief, ranging from 30 to 50 pages, and since they rely on the author's skills, they can be relatively inexpensive to produce. You will need extensive knowledge of a particular subject. Nevertheless, this subject can be specialist and call for unique skills or capabilities, which few people have but many readers require. Using an online platform, you can rapidly design the book and test market several titles and price points. However, in the same way that building a course can add value, the creation of additional ebooks that are part of a collection can bring in additional clients who are interested in your content. Opportunity. An ebook can serve as a way to drive traffic to your other offerings, such as audio or video courses, other ebooks, a website, or potentially higher value seminars, in addition to providing readers with useful information and adding value to their lives. This is a significant advantage of publishing an ebook. 3. Rental income. One of the most efficient strategies for generating passive income is to invest in rental houses. However, it typically demands a greater amount of effort than people anticipate. According to John H. Graves, an accredited investment fiduciary IF in the Los Angeles area and author of the 7% Solution, you can afford a comfortable retirement If you do not take the time to learn how to make it a profitable venture, you could lose your investment and then some. If you do not take the time to learn how to make it a profitable venture, you could lose your investment and then some. Opportunity. According to Graves, to make passive income from rental homes, you must first determine the following 3 things: the sum of all expenditures and expenses associated with the property, the potential monetary hazards associated with ownership of the property. For instance, if you want to achieve your goal of earning $10,000 a year in rental cash flow, and the property has a monthly mortgage payment of $2,000 and additional costs of $300 a month for taxes and other expenses, you will need to charge a monthly rent payment of $3,133 to achieve your goal. 2. Affiliate marketing. Webmasters, influencers, and bloggers use affiliate marketing to spread the word about a third party's products on their sites and social media accounts. Aside from Amazon, the most well-known affiliate partners include eBay, Awin, and Shoriasol. As a result, social media sites like Instagram and TikTok have become essential tools for anyone hoping to build a fan base or advertise a product. In addition, you might want to think about building an email list to send visitors to your blog or other services that they would find interesting. 1. Flip retail products. Profit from low-priced things you locate elsewhere by selling them on sites like eBay or Amazon. You'll be able to profit from the price difference between what you buy and what you sell, and you'll gain a following of people who keep tabs on your transactions. An advantage. You can take advantage of price discrepancies between what you can find and what the average consumer can find. If you have a personal connection who can assist you get access to reduced items that few others can, this could be a great strategy for you. Alternatively, you might come across something of value that others have overlooked. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you want to hear from me again, watch more videos on our channel. Thank you very much.